Guys, today I want to do a video called Steps of a Site Inspection. One of my subscribers, I think his name is Jen, something like Jan. Thank you for doing this suggestion. He suggested, or she suggested, that I did a video on steps for a site inspection, and I thought, that's actually pretty cool, because you need to be aware of like what the etiquette is, or just like what you're gonna be doing. Usually, what you want to do before going to a site inspection is, of course, prepare. You don't want to go like, oh yeah, I'm gonna wing it. No, you want to have some preparation. Like if it's a big project, you're gonna be doing a big inspection. You should be reading all the details. You should be checking everything that you're gonna be reviewing. Type of material, concrete. What are you gonna be reviewing? You're gonna be reviewing slabs. You're gonna be reviewing composite floors. You're gonna be reviewing columns, plates. What they want you to do, you want to be very clear on what you have. You want to also review all the emails and everything that has been talked about to know what is expected from you. You need to know what they expect you to tell them. If you need to tell the workers, if you just need to like do an R5, I don't know. But you need to basically know what you're going to be doing way before. This requires, usually depends on the project, but it can be from like 2-hour preparation to a full day of preparation, depending on how big the scope it is and like how much you're going to be reviewing. Now, that's the first step. The second step is, of course, going to the site. Before you go, be sure that you have the address correctly, that you go with like enough time so that you're not late, and you double check with the whoever you're going to be doing there, like the general contractor, the inspector, whoever, the homeowner, I don't know. Be sure that they're going to be there and like you coordinate that correctly. Now, step number 3, once you get there, like a lot of times you need to sign in, or there's going to be a meeting. So be sure to know what are they going to be the first steps when you arrive, what they expect you to do, what they don't expect you to do. Try to follow their protocol, like, oh, they need to do like a safety talk to you. Okay, whatever, just suck it up and be there. And after that, like usually, if it's like a site inspection, the contractor or whoever it is going to be walking with you through the site, telling you what you think, and be sure to listen to their comments, but be also looking for other things, basically what you look into your plant, like how much spacing the rebar needs to have, what type of steel, like, I don't know, like epoxy cover, I don't know. Be sure to know what you're going to be looking for. Be sure to listen to what people say. And one thing that I like to do, I like to ask the workers, because sometimes like they are working there, sometimes they know things that you don't know, like, oh, we had trouble with this thing, and you're like, oh wow, what happened there? So that would be the third step. Fourth step, I don't know, the next step. Just actually reviewing, talking, going with the person that you are there, like, so that they can tell you, write this down. And after that, what I like to do, I like to just like, hey, thank you, I see this, and I'm just gonna have a review by myself, and I just go solo. So when I go solo, I go check what they told me, but I also check some things that I want to inspect, like some specific details that, I don't know, very, very complex in the drawings, and that I want to review and see that they are done correctly. And just ask questions and just go around. Now, you don't want to give like definite to anybody, like, oh yes, this is wrong, oh yes, this is right. Well, yes, sometimes you do, but in general, it's better to just like write down everything, think about it, and tell them once you feel like, okay, I think this is wrong, I think this is correct, I think this should be like this, and that's it. Now, after that, you're done with the actual inspection, you drive back home. You say goodbye, sign out, whatever. So that's the next step. Pretty, common sense. Now, usually after a site visit, there's usually reports. So that's all. You also want to be taking a lot of photos during the site visit. Once you start writing the report, you need to be very professional. You need to know who's going to be addressed, who you're going to CC, and you need to have discussed all of this previously with the person that you talk, with the person present at site. You need to be very descriptive in everything that you write in your report, because this is like legal document. Everything that you write down can come bite you, or like you can generate like some unnecessary drama that you don't want. You want to be very professional, very clear in what you want and what you have, and just write the report, like pre-review it and send it out. And that's how those are the steps of a site visit, let's say. Alright guys, hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe, give me a comment, thumbs up, and have a good one.